Alrighty, everybody, we are working on another one today. We got a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. Now the compatible years are 2002 to 2008. We're going to be replacing the whole AC system, including the climate control module on the inside. So without further ado, first off, subscribe, like, let's get into it. First off, you're going to want to get you plastic trim tools to replace this climate control module, and I bought this just in case. And then of course you need your climate control module, which I have here. You can get it from whatever auto parts store that you like to use. And oh, what do you know, it even comes with a plastic trim tool. If you grab it off Amazon, you want to make sure that it looks just like the one that comes inside of your truck. Phillips head screw inside of here. It's probably also a 10 millimeter. We're going to take that out right here and pull just like that. See how she gets loose? Grab it here, boom, and finally you're gonna get this side. They're all snap-in tabs, so you just want to be gentle. Okay, so now pull this forward. You'll be looking at your climate control module right here. So there's going to be a tab. You're going to press in on this tab here. That's one. Same thing on this side. Tab number 2. All right. There's that old one. And here is the new one. So we're going to cross-reference this one. The only thing that's different about this one that we got online is it has this front windshield button at the bottom. Everything else is the same, so hopefully that's not going to be an issue. All right, so let's go ahead. We'll chunk this back on, and then I will test out, see if air is coming through the vents. Now before I test this out, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you like, if you like working on your own vehicles and this is helpful for you. So I already know that the air wasn't coming out. I've been over here, we replaced the blower mower and we did the resistor, and we're still not getting air coming through the vents. So we are sure that it is the climate control module that is not functioning, or should I say the old one. So the only thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the key to the accessory, and then we automatically can feel air coming through the vents. So let's turn this down real quick. Make sure that this is working on all levels. So we got off, 1, 2, 3, 4, full blown. Alrighty, man, that's how you do your climate control module on the Ram. So we're gonna do a part 2 for this, and in the part 2 we're gonna be doing the AC compressor, the condenser, vacuuming it, and refilling it. So make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe so y'all can catch us doing the rest of the AC system. Until the next time, guys, Puro Mobile, we are out of here.